Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome to my new video. In my video, I try to show how to activate any version of Windows easily using a software. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel from subscribe button. Okay guys, let's start. You can see this is my software folder. I try to open it. Okay, you can see this is my software. Using this software, you can activate any version of Windows like Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. You can also activate Windows Vista from this software. Okay guys, you can see this is my software. Click here, Windows icon. You can get different option. Click activation, product key, license backup, etc. Product key. Okay, you can see different version of Windows. You have to select your own version, Windows version from here, and after that click install. Your Windows activate automatically. After activation your Windows, you can check it from my computer properties. Okay, you can see here Windows version activated. By using this software you can activate any version of Windows. If you face any kind of problem, you can comment here on my video. I try to solve your problem, and please subscribe my channel and stay with us. Next time I will back with more important video for you.